Should we air down?
That don't sound like a bad plan right at the moment either.
I think we're better off if we do. We'll air down these tires. Okay, guys, so we're out on the trail here. We're at the air down. This sand is bad, but I got the AirMoto pump here. You guys check out the link in the description. I've done reviews on a lot of these compressors. In my opinion, this is my favorite. And the reason why this is my favorite, mostly, is because I can air down real easy with it. I can air up, I can air down. All the other pumps I've done reviews of everybody's pretty much. You can air up, and this one actually has an air down button. So you can see this button right here, deflate. So I can just push this button, air down the tires. All the other ones you gotta connect, reconnect, unconnect. This works super cool. So check out the link in the description for the AirMoto pump. Gotta go to 15 to be good. But this thing, that's why you see I'm carrying it on here. I carried it on my bikes because it's my favorite. I have all the other ones, I just don't use them. But I put it on there, it actually shows 24 because it's hot. You're actually supposed to check these when it's cold, but kind of hard to do that when you've been riding. And these old Tusk DSports are stiff anyway. So we're hoping this is going to help us in this loose gravel and sand. If it don't, we blame Randy. You need to get you one of these. It don't take up a lot of room. That little case it comes with, had there, it don't come with that. It actually comes with a little bag. But they sell the little case. So you had 18. A few pounds makes a big difference in these. I have used this thing here a lot. You see it's kind of scuffed up, and because I've used it so much, it automatically shuts off if you don't use it. And using it don't include airing down. It means using the pump. We'll see if that helps us any. There you go. AirMoto, guys. I have the link in the description.